So the first thing we're gonna do is take our aluminum foil, let's lay it over the pan. It's pretty simple. Just press it down. If you can't do that, don't even bother with the rest of this stuff. All right, from there, a little vegetable oil. Nice and neat on your foil. Sprinkle it with some chopped onion. Smells so good.
Sprinkle it with salt and pepper and just pop it in the toaster oven at 450 for about 3 minutes.
Ow!
Once the onions are sizzling and they have a little singe of brown on them, take your chopped meat and press it down flat.
Look how great that looks. How easy was that? Hey, if I could do it, you could do it. From there, take some salt, salt that bitch up nice and easy. Sorry about that, Mom. I didn't mean to say bitch. A little pepper. Get that pepper in it. And the pepper soaks within the beef, it soaks within the fat. It's never gonna be too peppery. So have fun with the pepper. And of course, a little onion powder. Never enough onion when it comes to beef.
Then just throw the pan back in the oven at 450 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so check this out. It's been an easy 8 minutes. Take out the pan and pour out the juices.
This is one situation where you don't want your meat wet, if you know what I mean.
Now take some American cheese and place it over the beef.
Now, in order to make that like really good steamy bun, on top of your sliders, you know what I'm using? I'm using hot dog buns. I'm gonna cut off the tips so it's nice and square. Get the bottom of your bun, put it on top of your cheese, and then take the other portion and put it on top of that, okay? So we're gonna do that throughout the whole portion of meat.
Now, in order to get that really good steamy bun, the key here is tinfoil. Just wrap the whole pan with tinfoil, slide it back into your toaster oven for about 3 minutes at 450.
So now we're gonna melt our cheese, we're gonna steam our buns, and then we're gonna pull it out of the oven again, and then we're gonna put together our sliders.
So now, in order to make the perfect slider, what we're going to do is take a section of meat, flip it over, just like this, add your ketchup and your pickles, take your bun, put it on top, and voila, you're done.